Alright, I'm Sarah McLean and I'm going to show you how to make a boutonniere to help you save some money at your wedding. So first thing you do is trim the flowers into smaller sections, and I've already done that. And then you're going to pick up and layer it and build your boutonniere from the back to the front. Here's a finished one, and you can see starting with the leaves and the flowers and the feathers, you're going to move towards the front, which is going to be the focal point. So start with my leaf and then take this accent and then the feather. So that's kind of the back of my boutonniere. And then I'm going to put what will be my main flower, because I have these smaller accents that I'm just going to sort of wiggle into place in between the flowers. I'm going to switch that up a little. And so you can play with it some till you get what you like. And it works if you have some photos to go from, and then it can sort of help you decide how you're going to put it together. So here I have it arranged the way that I want to. It's just kind of bunched up in my fingers, and then taking your floral wrap, I'm going to start to just wrap it around. Once you get that first bit done, it's a lot easier. So I'm just wrapping the tape right now, just holding all the stems together and the flowers together, wrapping to the very bottom. And then you can just rip this off. Okay, so now we have basically our boutonniere. We just have to finish it off. So you'll start with your ribbon, and I'm actually going to dab a little bit of hot glue at the very base of it. Whoops.
Does that hot glue get pretty hot? Do you need to be careful?
Yes, you do need to be careful, because it does get very hot and you can burn yourself. I have many times. So then you start at the bottom and just start wrapping it again. Okay. So I'm just wrapping the blue satin ribbon around from the bottom to the top at an angle. And then once at the back side, once it's as high up as I want it to go, then you're just going to trim it. And you can use fabric glue here, or tacky glue. You could use hot glue, but I think it makes a little bit more of a mess. At the bottom I didn't mind because it just gets wrapped up. And you just sort of push it closed, and you'll hold it there and wait for it to dry for a few moments. And then you're pretty much done with your boutonniere, and you can do other accents to it. I did a little charm here. And you can do any sort of charms or rhinestones and hot glue those into place if you wanted. And you'll just need to make sure that you have, whoops. Yeah, you have to hold it into place. Make sure that it dries. But you'll just want to make sure that you have a floral pin like this so that your groomsmen or whoever that will be wearing it can put it on. And that's it. And that is how you make a boutonniere.
Ding!